In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome Translate when it's not working. If you've been struggling with translation issues on Chrome, you've come to the right place. We'll explore a couple of effective methods that can help you resolve these issues, ensuring that you're able to translate web pages smoothly and effortlessly. Let's dive into the first approach. To begin, it's important to ensure that your settings are adjusted correctly. Open Google Chrome and look towards the upper right corner of your browser. There you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Once the menu opens, look for Settings. You'll find it toward the bottom of this menu list. Click on Settings and a new tab will open, displaying different options you can customize. Within the Settings menu, focus your attention on the left-hand side and locate the option labeled Languages. Click on it. Here, you'll see a section dedicated to Google Translate. Confirm that the toggle for Google Translate is switched on. This step is crucial because if this setting is turned off, Chrome won't automatically prompt you with translation options when you visit pages in foreign languages. If it's off, simply click the toggle to enable it. If adjusting your settings doesn't seem to resolve the translate feature, there's another method you can try: translating a page manually. Here's how you can do that. First, visit any web page that's written in a foreign language. This could be an article, a blog post, or virtually any web page in a language that isn't your default. Once you're on the web page, position your cursor anywhere on the page and perform a right-click. When the context menu appears, look for the option that says Translate to English or another default language you've set in Chrome. Go ahead and select this option. Doing so may provide a manual kickstart to the translation capabilities of Chrome. More often than not, performing this manual translation action once can help improve or restore the automatic translation feature for future web pages. These straightforward methods should have you back on track, allowing you to utilize Google Chrome's translation feature with ease. It's all about ensuring your settings are configured correctly and using manual translation as a strategic step to refresh the system. Remember, testing both these solutions can often yield the best results. So, that's all for today's tutorial. We hope these tips help you fix the Google Chrome Translate issue and provide you with a smoother browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips and fixes.